Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have 20 minus 6 divided by 2 times 3 is how much? So 20 minus 6 is 14. 14 divided by 2 times 3. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 times 3 is 21. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. So this try to trick you into subtracting too early, so don't fall for it. Let's solve this expression using the rule that we call it PEMDAS. P stands for the parenthesis, or the expression that is inside the bracket. E is the exponent, M is the multiplication, D is the division, addition, and subtraction. So in order to solve such maths operation, multiplication and division have the same priority. Addition and subtraction also have the same priorities, but we have to work it from left to right. So let's solve this question based on this rule. So here we have subtraction, division, multiplication. So before to solve a subtraction, we have to solve division and multiplication. But in this case, based on this rule, division and multiplication have the same priority, that we can solve it from left to right. So this is 6 divided by 2 is 3 times times 3 is 9. So let's solve it. So we can solve it a division first, because of this rule. So we have division and multiplication, but multiplication and division have the same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right, so the left hand side is a division, so we have to express a division first before a multiplication. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 3. So here we have 20 minus 3 times 3 is 9, which is equals to 11. This is the correct answer. So the subtraction had to wait patiently until the multiplication and division were finished. Thanks for watching.